Welcome to Pinnacle PLR. What do we have for you today? A brand new PLR product that is exclusive to Pinnacle PLR, which has never been released to the market before, called Instagram Marketing Masterclass. You get a complete sales funnel business in a box with this PLR. You get full private label rights to the complete package, so you can edit it, rename it, brand it as your own and sell it as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. We all know that top internet marketers all have their own digital products. However, creating high-quality digital products takes a massive amount of time and money. And most people never have their own digital product to sell because of this. But today you can. Allow me and my expert team of content writers, designers, and copywriters to do all of the hard work for you and create absolutely everything you need to start and run a successful digital information product business online. You get to utilize my team, the product creation experts, to do all of this grunt work for you. All you need to do is grab your license, add your buy now buttons, and autoresponder code, which we show you how to do, and you are all set. You can resell this and keep 100% of all the profits you make and build a high-quality list at the same time. It's a win-win. Let me hand over the screen to Raj to show you exactly what you get inside when you grab this PLR package today.
So once you've purchased this PLR package, you should get a download similar to the one on screen. So once you've downloaded all the material from the members area, you will get a folder with all the different modules and all the different content inside of all these folders. So for example, the first module will be the premium quality guide. So if you click inside, you will see you get the chapter graphics for the actual guide. You get the editable Word document. So this is the document that you can edit, rename, put your name as the author, and rebrand. You also get the ready-to-use PDF document, which you can use as is. If you head over to the next folder, you have the checklist. Again, you have an editable document and the ready-to-use PDF version. Same with the mind map. You get in the PDF version a HTML document and a FreeMind source file. So if you download FreeMind, which is a free software, you can open this file and edit it within that software called FreeMind. Same again with all the content. Everything is in its different folders. Resources again, editable Word document, and ready to use PDF. The ready-made sales page, you get the sales copy that's been used on the page, the actual sales page itself. If you click into it, you get all the files you need. And you also get the download page. So all you have to do is upload these to your server or your hosting account, and you have a ready-made sales letter and download page for you to use. Lead magnet, you have the actual ready-to-use PDF again, and the document, editable Word document. The actual opt-in page or squeeze page is in a folder which you upload to your server, and you have a ready-made squeeze page. Further down the modules, you get high quality professional graphics, you get articles all in editable Word documents, you get email swipes in the text document, the social media graphics pack, which you can upload to social media and get traffic to your opt-in page or to your product. And lastly, module 11, you get the license, the private label rights license, the master resale rights license, and the resale rights license, as well as an important license document for you to read, which tells you exactly what you can and can't do with this private label rights package. So that's exactly what you get when you purchase today and get your PLR package. You get a complete business in a box sales funnel, all the material that you need to create a successful online business. So thank you for listening. Grab your copy of this PLR package today, and I'll see you in the members area.